Hey guys, good morning, it's me Luis. Today we have this one. It's a 2018 go to the 19 Nissan Titan. We have a problem with the glass because it's leaking really bad in the corners. The dealerships cannot find the problem. They don't know what's going on with this glass, but we have, you see the leak? We have a lot of problems with the leaking. This one is the same style like the Force. You see this kind of latchet right here? Remember on the bottom, the same like the Force. When you open the handle, the seat's gonna just contract and recline, and after that you're gonna pull this one, the cord, the same like the Force. You see the pin right here, and they're gonna make this one free, so you don't have to take bolts, nothing from this time. So now I'm gonna start stripping the car. I'm gonna record something because you see this one is already damaged, so I have to just record that one. The engineer for the Nissan is coming because they say they want to see what's going on with these glasses, because nobody touched the glass, nobody did nothing on these cars, but it's leaking really bad on these areas. So we're gonna find out what's the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna start stripping the parts. Remember, it's not really difficult. The strip on these ones. Let me see if I can get my ratchets over here. So I'm gonna just do the strip, and I gotta wait for this guy coming from the factory, the plant, and he's gonna just take a look when I pull the glass, because they're gonna find out what's going on with this vehicle. Okay, get that one out. Let me get my cover this one. More easy on this time on the panels. Okay, in this case I'm not going to pull this one too much, but I'm going to just open a little bit just to get this one out. But now first we're going to take all these little pins or clips. They're here. Got a couple of Alright, in this case, remember, under here, we got a couple of clips here. We want to just take them off. This is one over here. I like these designs because it's not much bolts. Take this one out. See you, Tata boy. Espérame. I'm sorry, guys. I have to cut the video. Somebody asked me something. Okay, we open this one. So, in this case, I'm gonna make sure I don't have to take this one out, because sometimes, remember, the wire for the motor is coming through here. So, because I got this one, so I'm gonna take this one out probably. Okay, take this one. Now, let me get my clip here. Okay, got the clips out. One more here. In this case, let me use this one. A little bit better. Alright, so we got that one open already. And now, we're gonna take these ones out too. These bolts over here. there. Okay, looks like we have to take that one out just to have access to the motor. Let me see. Okay, this one, you see, it's because it has already worked. Somebody put the epoxy glue here, so make sure. I'm gonna put this one here. Somebody will put hands on this one, so that's why I'm gonna put a piece of tape. I'm gonna put here, right there, because it looks like somebody already put the epoxy glue there. So I want to find out if the problem is really leak or something is coming over here. Okay, so I got this one here. My motor should be in the bottom, so I'm gonna get these ones out. Get the bolt. My 12. Very soft, so they're not really tight. Maybe if I only open one side, I don't have to take all the way out. But let me make sure, okay? And this one over here, because we know it's on this side. Let's see. Now let's go to the other side. We're gonna take all these parts. Maybe I'm gonna keep the video a little bit because they're gonna start screaming and say bad words.
Bueno, güey, pero ¿para qué lo vas a quitar?
¿Mandé?
¿Por dónde se limpia el agua?
Estás en el aire, compadre. Que se venga para acá.
¿Qué será? ¿Niño o niña?
Niño o niña? No. Okay guys, so we're gonna start pulling the glass. We got to set everything on. The engineer is here, so it's gonna take a look, see how we're gonna do the job. I'm gonna start cutting on the second gauge, actually. Here we go. Remember, we gotta go careful. I think the problem is the glue. Don't look like a factory. Okay, let's go now over here. Oh. We're using the Line X N96. Can be break anytime. Go slow, slow, slow. Like that. Put it over here. Go slow over here. Now this kind of gravity stop, they're really hard to break. And we're going to make the line go behind the gravity stop. Just behind. There you go. That's my lamp. Okay, now I'm gonna find the gravity stop. There's the big ones right there in the corner. Right there. I see. I feel when we go through here, nothing. You just go straight. Oh yeah. All right, now. We go behind that. There's a curtain from the top. Make sure. Yes, that. Alright, man, let's see what we find behind all this.
That was easy.
Yeah. Ah, man.
¿Vas a poner acá en el...
Ya, ahí en el estante. Si quieres pones eso en la table, ahí te lo quito. Yeah, the other thing can be is encapsulates, they need to be primed. If it's something missing with the primer, maybe that was the problem. You know, I need to unplug it. Because you see, all this is on lamination. Yeah, we have this problem with Volvo before, but you see, we call a lamination on the primer.
It's not bonded.
That's right.
Like this primer.
Yeah, all of
there,
them. You see?
Yeah.
All of them. This is a lamination problem with the plastic. Every time before we have to put this one, we have to clean very good, encapsulate, and put the primer. Wait 3 or 5 minutes, depending on the brand of the using.
Does it look?
Tiene que no, ya se queda. Sí, nomás me llevo el motor. A ver, let's go to the table over there. Espérame, te lo paso. Ahí en la mesita, ¿no? There you go.
From there all the way.
All to the top. Let me get your lamp. You can see the light is better. Oh, you got flash. That's
I'll turn it off. Sometimes the
yeah, the lights on
is better.
Yeah, you can see the difference here when they seal tight, and this one just a little more spot here. Well, no, that one is the glue. It's very thin, but it's good. Was attached really nice.
Right there.
Yeah, I have maybe this little spot, but you know, the bigger problem is on the top. The bottom is nice. Right, a little piece right there.
See that there?
Yeah, they start coming on this one too. You see when it's flat? There's a contamination. That's something, maybe they contaminate the frame of the glass. Because when the warehouse handle the glasses, they come in with the oil when people touch it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so we got it clean, very nice. Use activator, wait 3 minutes, put primer, wait 3 minutes, and after that you glue going.
That's horrible.
Oh yeah.
Ahí no está pegado, ¿eh?
No. Esa es laminación. Okay, we finish here. Let's go. Next one.